Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Dakota by Rene in the color Rose Gold R. Now, I've had several of these Dakotas since they were released, like this one here, which is in caramel brown, and I used this one for color spotlight. So I was able to tell pretty quickly that after my first look video with this wig, I gotta do something about this front because it's right out of the box, got kind of a crease in it. That it had a giant crease in the front that didn't make any sense at all. So yeah, the front hairline was really not working. Like it looked like it had been like styled at a weird angle or something. So in order to fix that for whoever ends up buying the sample wig after me, broke out my trusty Rene wig steamer. It's got kind of a concentrated tip on it. And I was able to use that to gently steam this into submission and use a comb to get it to lay flatter. I also got it to lay a little bit off the face, so you're welcome, anybody who ends up buying this sample wig. This is how this is supposed to look. Like, even though I did this front, this is how this wig is supposed to look. Really pretty style. Now I will say one thing, and you can kind of see I'm kind of tripping over my fingers down here. One thing that about this wig that's a little uncharacteristic for a lot of these Rene styles is that the hair is a little tangly down here. And I don't know what that's about. Maybe they just need to, you know, put a little bit more silicone on the ends or something. But usually that's not so much of an issue with these Rene brands. But I have noticed quite a bit of tangling and quite a bit of shedding on this Dakota sample. I still think it's really pretty. I still sort of want to keep it actually because it's so pretty. This is a lace front wig. And it does have a monofilament side part. I will show you those features actually. Let me show you what this stuff looks like on this Dakota in the mocha brown, because I think the contrast with the dark color is going to make the knotting a little bit more evident. So this is what that monofilament side part looks like. You can see you get a little bit of wiggle room to part it, but try to get it as close to the center of that monofilament insert as you can. This is open on the sides, and in the back we have a felt nape, but it is not extended. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. We've also got felt here on the ear tabs, a little bit of under knotting here at the ear tabs, which is great. We've also got some felt that lines the perimeter of the features on the top of the cap. That's great for people like me who just have stubble under here, because that is nature's Velcro. It sticks to those felt features, and then the wig stays in place without a grip. You know, no adhesive, it just kind of stays there. The only downside really to shaving your head completely is that sometimes this will show on the sides. So that really bums you out. Get some it stays, and then shellac the ear tabs down. Another thing to sort of bear in mind in that regard is that I have a large head, so the chances that, you know, your sideburn area is going to get good coverage are a little bit better than mine if you've got an average sized head. This is a 4-ounce wig. The front is about 8 inches here where it's the shortest. So the crown down is 14 inches, so it's quite a bit longer in the back, and the nape is 11. So that's a really nice length. It's kind of like in between a mid-length and a long style. So it's kind of like beginner's long wig. You know, not quite that long, but very pretty, luscious in both of these colors really. I think it's really natural looking. I think the density is pretty natural actually too, especially considering the length. I also think that the layering is very flattering. It reminds me of wigs like, you know, Love, Love, Love by Raquel Welch, or what are some other ones? Like Miranda by Rene. It's a very similar style. Those wigs are a little longer, but this is right along the same vein. So if you've been looking for something like that from the Rene Paris line, or you just want to take advantage of their amazing color palette, then this is a really nice one to run with. Again, this is Dakota in Rose Gold R. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. We love making video reviews around here, so thank you for watching. You basically are our raison d'etre. So I really appreciate you checking us out, and hopefully we'll see you again next time. Have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.